is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Cohen's RV World. Today we're taking a look at a brand new Wildwood model. Is this the 28 Ice? Yeah, 28 Ice. So it's got some really cool bunks. I gotta show you these, so let me hop out for a minute and put my shoes on. But my goodness, it is pouring rain. If you can hear it, it's like actually pouring rain outside, but I'm glad that I'm in here because look at that. But anyway, so this is the 28 Ice. They took the 300 Ice and they made it a little bit different, where they added these doors that slide to give you some privacy, and they have a little travel lock on there that just locks on the other side, and you can also use that little thing to kind of slide it back open if you want some privacy while you're sleeping. But they also have little slide open storage units on these as well. And there's another bunk up here. And they both have the timeout escape window, which is my way of saying the emergency exit window. My goodness, I still can't get over how rainy it is. Now, something cool, they have a Bluetooth control panel. So you can still control the RV from this panel, but you can also control it from either your phone or this included remote, which looks like a phone, but it is remote, so you can download the VersaLink app, which is their Bluetooth thing for, you get it. It's a Bluetooth way of controlling your RV for everything that the panel does. You also get USB and USB-C ports, GFI port. Well, this is not the GFI port. This is it. This is an air freshener, but does it smell good? Yes, it does smell good if you're wondering. Okay, oh wait, there's drawers under here. Look at that. Oh wait, no, they're not drawers. They're just more storage. Oh my gosh. Well, this RV has some great hiding spots, I'll say that. Also, if you open this cabinet, you get some really big drawers in here, which is pretty nice. And I can go forever with this video because it's raining and nobody wants to come in these RVs. Everybody's sitting under awnings. But, so they updated their backsplash over here, which is really neat. And you've got this, and it makes the dinette just look really nice, very fancy. And they also added a wall-mounted bracket on these. So if I shake this really, really hard, it's not gonna go anywhere. And also, they added this window up here, so you know how sometimes people will be creepy and they'll look into other people's campers, and you have to close your blinds like this, and you can't see outside? Well, this kind of changes that issue because it's a high-mounted window, you can still see outside, and it gives you more privacy. So that's a plus side to that. This is a jackknife sofa with storage underneath it, and it comes with storage bins, which is pretty cool. You get, so over back in the kitchen area, you get this door, which has more drawers in it. Yeah, there we go. With your instruction manual. You're coming in?
Yeah.
Is it wet?
It's wet.
I don't blame you. All right, so underneath the sink, you get plumbing access and storage. Also, over here, you get your Greystone 3-burner stove with some cool lights around the knobs for decoration. Also, you get your Furrion convection oven with an air fry feature. Love that. Plenty of countertop space and a ginormous window that does absolutely the opposite of that window, which lets you which gives you full view of your campsite, or else in this case, RV show. Pretty fun. We're up in Elkhart, Indiana, by the way, checking out the exclusive dealer expo. We're having a lot of fun. And also over here is your entertainment system, which opens up to give you plenty of hidden pantry storage, which is really cool. It's got a TV and a fireplace. Really cool. Also over here by the couch, you get this little storage cubby. That's pretty neat. You get your Furrion 12-volt fridge, which has a lot of water in it. And the freezer. Very nice. Also, you get some shelves right here in the corner. And you get a Furrion, Furrion AC unit. This RV has one AC unit. Here's a thermostat to control it. Oh, we got an umbrella. Yay! And here's your shower. So I'm about 5'2", I'm standing up here pretty well, as you can hopefully see on the camera, but plenty of headspace like that. You have a luminous arched radius mirror on this, which is a fancy term for a backlit mirror. It's the industry term for it. You also get a porcelain toilet and some storage underneath the sink, plenty of countertop space, and on-demand hot water, which means long-lasting hot showers. Come on, man. You also get GFI ports right there, very nice. And over here, this looks like a ton of extra storage, which I love that. Great use of space. And you also get those same little corner shelves on the other side. You also get another timeout escape window up here in the bedroom. It's still pouring rain. I was over in that X-Light a little minute ago, and now it's pouring rain and everything's closed. But over here, you get a custom king-size bed or Olympic Queen. You also got the pet step over here, which helps pets get up into bed, or else me, on the other hand, get up to this overhead storage. Now, over here you get GFI, USB, and USB-C ports on either side of the bed, and shelves, so you can use a CPAP in this RV. Very, very nice. You get some hanger storage, and laundry hamper with a little bit of cubby storage right there. But if you want to get this RV for yourself, please visit where?
thrillsrv.com. I
Woo!
don't have a mic.
Yeah, but thrillsrv.com. Please visit them. You can see her, you can see me, but yeah, if we're there, that is. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the 28 Ice yet again. So yeah, happy camping. Buy this RV for yourself. See ya.